I'm Eric Lesser with Spyderco. I'll review some of the new knives that are coming out for us right now. So I'm going to start with the Military 2. This knife came out last year, but what makes this knife unique is this comes with a crew wear blade, canvas micarta handle. It took some new engineering to get that done, so you'll notice this has full liners, where the Military 2 and G10 has a nested liner. This is going to give you a different weight than our normal Military 2. Definitely with the crew wear, it'll give you a different performance, and with the canvas micarta, it's going to start out very light like you see here, but get darker over time. The crew wear tends to get a patina, this tends to get a dark brown, but out of the box, this is probably what you'll see. This is the Military 2 in crew wear blade and canvas micarta. And then we're going to expand that, and we're also doing the Paramilitary 3. We already did the Paramilitary 2, so some of you might have one of those in your pocket, but this also has the crew wear blade, that canvas micarta, and then like the other model, we went with a full liner all the way around to give you that added strength in your compression lock. Both of them are regular production and tend to be popular, so if you're looking for a knife that gets a little bit darker through use, wonderful performance, these are definitely good options for you. And then to keep the Paramilitary 3 option still going, this is the Paramilitary 3 in a salt version. So this comes with MagnaCut, a USA made steel, very highly corrosive resistant, great wear resistance, great toughness. Comes in a yellow. We use yellow because it keeps that bright color easy to find, especially if you're a diver in those deep atmospheres. You'll notice this comes with coated hardware. That coated hardware adds corrosion resistance to our salt line. And so you're going to see some of these knives that have satin blades with coated hardware just to increase that corrosion resistance. 3-inch blade, bidirectional texturing, screw together construction, deep pocket wire clip. Really one of the bread and butters of Spyderco, the Paramilitary 3, but in a salt version. And then continuing the Para family, if you will, we have two knives here that are the Paramilitary 2. These are also salt versions. So they're going to come with a MagnaCut blade, highly corrosive resistant. They come with a bi-directional machined texture, so you can push on the front, pull in the back, you get great grip. 4-way clip, open construction. The Paramilitary 2 is an iconic piece for Spyderco, one of our flagship pieces, wonderful performance, great reputation. Actually, as I noticed, the screw isn't screwed in all the way. As these are prototypes soon to be delivering. And then it'll also come in an all black version. So the all black blacked out version, and then you have the yellow and black with satin. These are the two versions to come. The all black version also has peel ply on the texture, so a little bit extra for the grip. Both seem to be very popular, both to deliver very soon. Continuing along, we have a new knife called the Bodacious. This is made in our US facility. If you know the Shaman, which is a USA made knife, this is the brother to the Shaman, so you can see some of the similarities. The big difference is this has no 4-finger choil, where this has a 4-finger choil so that you can choke up on it. Also, one of the big differences with the Bodacious is it's thinner, so you might be able to see that this one's a little bit thinner than this one as far as blade steel and handle, so it's going to be a little bit different in its carry. Where the Shaman has a rounded scale, this is all flat and smooth. It is a full flat grind, so the grind gets all the way back for maximum edge cutting, and then we left the thickness here at the top so you have added strength for the blade. It is a 2-way reversible clip with lanyard hole, open construction, compression lock. The Bodacious out of the US facility should be delivering soon, and it comes in an S30V blade. And then one more, this is a flash batch, meaning we're only going to make it once and then we'll discontinue it. It's I believe a 2,000 or a 2,500 piece run. This is a collaboration with Lion Steel. It comes with a canvas micarta scale, M398 blade. So it's a nice upgrade from your M390. Has a crowned spine, has a titanium reeve integral reeve integral lock. Comes with a stainless interface and over travel stop. It has our hourglass clip that you'll see from Spyderco, our generous sized spider hole, so it's easy to open. Lion does make a knife called the Mito, and this is the Spy Mito because we spiderized their version. The flipper is also removable if you want to get that out of the way. It does come with ball bearings, so beautiful action. And it is a fun collaboration with Lion Steel. We call it the Spy Mito. And
actually, this knife is made in the USA or made in Italy.
This is made in Italy, in Maniago, by Lion.
All right.
Yep. And these are some of the new knives coming down the pipe. Hopefully, you can get them soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.